Are you feeling stuck in your business with no clear direction? Do you feel like you're working hard but not really moving forward? You're not alone. Many business owners and managers find themselves in this situation, unsure of where to focus their efforts or how to measure their progress. But there is a solution. By understanding and implementing the right key performance indicators, KPIs, you can transform your business and start seeing real results. Welcome back to our channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that's crucial for any business looking to succeed: KPI and performance metrics. We'll break down what they are, why they matter, and most importantly, how you can use them to boost your business. First up, let's define what a performance metric is. It's basically a measurable value that shows how well you're doing in a specific area. Think of it like a report card for your business. There are tons of different performance metrics out there, and the specific metrics that are relevant for your business will depend on your industry, size, and specific goals. Some common examples include website traffic, conversion rates, customer satisfaction, employee turnover, and return on investment. Now let's talk about KPIs, key performance indicators. What makes a performance metric a KPI is that it's directly related to your business objectives. A KPI is a quantifiable measurement that tells you how effectively you're achieving your business goals. For example, if your goal is to increase brand awareness, a relevant KPI could be the number of impressions your marketing campaign receives. If your goal is to boost sales, a relevant KPI could be the conversion rate on your product landing page. KPIs are the specific targets you set for yourself based on your overall business strategy. They help you track progress, make informed decisions, and ultimately drive better results. Think of it this way. You wouldn't use a yardstick to measure the length of a room. You'd use a tape measure instead. Similarly, you wouldn't use a screwdriver to tighten a bolt. You'd grab the right tool for the job. Well, the same goes for KPIs and performance metrics. Not every metric needs to be in KPI, just like not every task requires a screwdriver. In fact, having too many KPIs can be counterproductive. It's much better to have a few well-chosen KPIs that truly reflect your business objectives than a long list of irrelevant metrics. To determine which metrics are right for your business, ask yourself this: do these metrics align with my business goals? If not, then they're not KPIs, and you shouldn't waste your time tracking them. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into what makes a great KPI and how to create one. The SMART criteria is a popular framework for developing effective goals and KPIs. Let's break down each letter and see how it applies to creating KPIs. Specific. A specific KPI clearly defines what you want to achieve and how you'll measure it. It answers questions like, what do I want to accomplish and how will I know when I've achieved it? For example, instead of saying increase website traffic, specific KPI would be increase organic website traffic by 20% in the next quarter. Measurable. A measurable. KPI is one that can be tracked and quantified, provides a way to monitor progress and determine whether or not you've achieved your goal. Using the previous example, increase organic website traffic by 20% in the next quarter is also measurable. You can track the number of visitors to your website over time and calculate the percentage increase. Achievable and achievable. KPI is realistic and attainable given your resources and constraints. It's important to set challenging yet realistic goals that motivate your team without being overly ambitious. For instance, if your website currently receives 1,000 visitors per month, setting a KPI to achieve 10,000 visitors per month within the next quarter might be a bit unrealistic. A more achievable goal would be to increase traffic by 20% or 300 visitors per month. Relevant. Irrelevant. KPI aligns with your overall business goals and priorities. It focuses on the metrics that truly make a difference to your bottom line and helps you track progress towards your most important objectives. For example, if your primary goal is to generate more leads, a relevant KPI could be the number of marketing qualified leads generated through your campaigns. Time-bound. A time-bound KPI has a specific time frame for achievement. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused on your goals. It also allows you to track progress over time and make adjustments as needed. For example, instead of saying increase website traffic, a time-bound KPI would be increase organic website traffic by 20% in the next quarter. By following the SMART criteria, you can create KPIs that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will ensure that your KPIs are useful and effective in helping you track progress toward your business objectives. You might be wondering how often you should review your KPIs. The answer is, it depends. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. But here are some general guidelines to keep in mind. Daily. If you're in the startup phase, your KPIs should be reviewed daily. Weekly. For early-stage companies, weekly reviews are ideal. Monthly. For established businesses, monthly reviews are standard. Quarterly. Larger companies may opt for quarterly reviews to align with fiscal periods. Annually. Annual reviews are suitable for long-term trends and strategic planning. Remember, consistency is key. Choose a review frequency that works for you and stick to it. Whether you review your KPIs daily, weekly, monthly, or annually, it's essential to establish a routine and make it a habit. By consistently reviewing your KPIs, you'll be able to track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate successes along the way. All right, so you've got your KPIs in place. What's next? How do you use them to drive business success? That's where business dashboards come in. A business dashboard is a visual display that lets you quickly see the most important information needed to achieve one or more objectives. It provides a snapshot of your KPIs and other relevant business metrics in an easy-to-understand format. Imagine it as your control panel for your business. Here's what makes dashboards so powerful. They provide a visual display of the most important information. They offer a snapshot of your KPIs and other relevant metrics. They help you make faster decisions by providing a clear overview of your business performance. They allow you to track performance over time and compare actual results to targets. Dashboards can be customized to meet the specific needs of different users in your organization, such as executives, managers, and analysts. They come in various forms, including digital dashboards, interactive reports, and real-time alerts. To create an effective dashboard, follow these steps. Identify your objectives and KPIs. Determine what information you need to track. Choose the right visualization methods. Use charts, graphs, and other visuals to represent your data. Keep it simple and user-friendly. Don't overload your dashboard with too much information. Review and update regularly. Ensure your dashboard stays relevant and up to date. By following these steps, you can create a dashboard that helps you track your KPIs and drive better business outcomes. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at KPIs and performance metrics. Remember, not every metric needs to be in KPI, and the wrong KPIs can lead to confusion and wasted effort. That SYS crucial to choose the right KP is that align with your business objectives and are specific. Measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Use the SMART criteria as a guide and don't be afraid to experiment and adjust as needed. And once you've set your KPIs, create a dashboard to help you track your progress and make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us on this episode of our channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And if you're eager to learn more about driving business success, check out our other videos on business strategy, growth, and innovation. Till next time, stay curious and keep growing your business.